Say hi. Say hi. Love you. Love you. Well, good morning or afternoon. I'm doing some cleanup today. Hope you're coming along and joining me on this beautiful day. We're going to be cleaning out the fridge a little bit. It isn't in too bad a shape, but I just usually wipe it out once a week and wipe all the appliances down, which I already did. And I clean the stove and microwave and those kinds of things. Little sister rivalry there. So anyway, so if that's something you like to watch, then subscribe and hit that notification bell. We do a lot of hauls and gardening, hiking, cooking, cleaning, organization. I do some day in the lives. Sorry, my voice cracked. And yeah, make sure you share this with your friends and family as well. And I would be just so happy to have you a part of our YouTube family. Gosh, that scared me. That always does that. Don't like how they package those. They pop right up in here. Another thing I wanted to mention, do any of you guys have problems with the milk? Maybe we don't drink ours fast enough, but it sours so quickly. So if anybody else has that problem or has any solutions to that, I would just love to know. Because yeah, we go through a lot of wasteful milk. Just cleaning with my Meyer's Clean Day. Usually when I get in here and clean real good, I use something a little stronger for sanitization. I use this little bin for my sodas or sparkling waters. Just keeps them all a little more organized and I can stack them better. So let me wipe that out. Okay. On to the next shelf. Been loving these brown eggs. They're the large cage free. They're brown. I get these from Walmart and they're actually cheaper than most of the other eggs. And they taste better. Also do a breakfast bin, just a smaller one that holds my jelly, like cream cheese. If you want like a bagel with cream cheese, I keep that in here. So we've got jelly, a couple of great kinds, and then my strawberry whipped cream cheese goes in there. And then, of course, my bagels go next to that. So you can just grab breakfast. I usually put my bacon up there too. And yeah, let's go to shelf 3. Put these cups in here. These are the perfect size Cokes. I was being really good about soda. Coke is my weakness, so these work better because I'm not wasting a whole Coke. I don't need a whole lot, just a little bit, but I need to get back off of this. Soda's hard, y'all. Just hard. Comment down below if you struggle with this. I'm not a huge soda drinker, like I don't drink tons of it all day, just a little bit here and there, so I guess that's not too bad. All right, 3 is gonna be sandwich making area. So I do keep this bin also. It keeps my mayos, mustards, minced garlic, all in a bin, so you just gotta grab it and make your sandwich. Oh, gotta wash this. Okay, this goes back in the bin. Put this over here this time. I'm always liking to change things up a little, so on the other side, I usually do pickles. I do some of my pickles in my side drawer, but usually things like this, Tostitos, salsas like you can grab. I've got sauerkraut when you want to add those to like hot dogs or whatever. And yeah, you know what? Let me put these pickles up here too. And then, oh, I could eat these today. I need to finish up these bread and butter chips. And what else? Okay. Shelf 4 is I leave for my leftovers area. We need to start eating our yogurt. See, everything gets pushed to the back and you forget. So this goes up on breakfast area. And I'll try to eat some of that later. This bin is basically for sandwiches, like meats, cheeses, onions, stuff you want to add to your sandwich. And then I do my produce bin down there. That looks way better. This wasn't too bad a shape, so I'm going to leave it. I do sauces, marinades, sour cream, barbecue sauces. This is all like salad dressings. Horsey sauce for sandwiches. I could probably actually do that down there with ketchup. And then, oh, and hot sauce is up here. And then down here is pickles, like extra pickles, jalapenos. I got some extra spaghetti sauce. And then down here is broths and just things that are huge that won't fit anywhere. So I keep my whipped cream down here and my Hershey syrup and of course butter, which I am making today, so stay tuned for that. That's coming up next. I got my heavy whipping cream out and we're gonna do that right now. Hope you enjoyed the cleaning of my fridge. All right. Ta-da! So now here in the garage, and we get so many flies here and they bite. So someone said peppermint oil, but I got my eucalyptus out, and it's essential oil. I'm gonna put it on these pads and they say it repels flies. So I'm gonna try it in my garage, and then also you could use citrus and lavender, I believe it said. So let me go ahead and douse these, and I'm gonna set them around my garage. Maybe rub a little bit on me, just a little bit. Put one up here on this shelf. This is my gardening shelf, which I need to kind of redo. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna tackle this again today. Garage sale leftovers. We're gonna box some things up, get ready for the dump, that kind of stuff. So, yeah, that's what we have planned for today. There's a nice cold breeze. It is beautiful. Finally some sunshine today. So Don's gonna do some mowing finally because it's been rainy. He hasn't been able to. But yeah, we're gonna grill our ribs and he'll mow. And yeah, those are our projects for today. Thanks for coming along.